Morning all. Different setting today. We're in a van as opposed to the office. I'm heading out to see Paul and Aaron. We're carrying out a commercial gutter clearance. So we're down to an industrial estate in Cambridge to carry out the work. We bought ourselves a new bit of kit. We usually hire it in, we've got a valley walker. So it basically goes up onto the roof, goes into the gullies of the gutters, folds out, and it spreads the weight of the men that are up there carrying out the work, so we can carry out the clean safely. Like I say, it's a new piece of kit, so it'd be nice to see that in action today. I don't know if we've shown you footage before of these gully walkers, but they're handy to have on a gutter clearance, especially on these commercial buildings. So yeah, we're just going down there to check out, see how the lads are going. Excuse my terrible singing, but I'm celebrating the fact that I got a Oasis ticket, so I hope you did. Let us know in the comments below. Take care and have a good day.
The world away. It's heavy just breathing through this debate. We'll start come on, start a riot. When they love you too much, now it's fame, fake, or even hate. Don't be scared when the weight paralyzes you, stay at the gate. It's a lot to take in, it's designed to know it, don't wait. Don't be scared when the weight paralyzes you, stay at the gate. Lions dressed in suits, we don't get there. Fancy shoes and a ton of taboos,